Little gold dust. You know, painting and talking is kind of hard to do, but I do my best here. But let's do this. Today we're going to be painting this abstract clouds for you, but first things first, Liquitex gesso. I'm going to apply some gesso here around this area for the gold leaf stage. Alright, so a little bit of gesso around this area right here. Right this way, right here. Little gesso. A little bit here and there, there you go. That's what I'll do. And here we go. It comes in like this square format. I don't need all of it, so I'm just gonna trim this. Before you move, like this, trim it. Maybe a triangle shape. It's not easy, but a little piece of it right here. Like this. Oops. Before we continue, like that. To a wet gesso, that's still, here you go. That thing is straight in nature, so all the excess, just gonna brush it off. Little gold dust. Like that, yeah. So this is a small blending brush. I'll attach a description, a small link, of course, in the description. So this is canvas, this 8x10 canvas is what I'm using. So small brush, small blending brush would work really well, I thought, for blending, for cloud effect. So a little bit of dark blue right here, dark blue. Here, start with this. With our blue, let's just start doing this from this corner right here, like this. Right here, like that. Right here. And mixture of white, of course, and just kind of see what happens. A little abstract is what we're going for. Right here, kind of blending it like that. Here you go. A little dark. Leaving some space for the neutral color to show through later on. Just kind of cloud shape, abstract style is what I'm going for right here. Starting with this bluish and this turquoise. A little bit, just freely, just letting it do its thing, and let's see what happens here. Okay. And if you do not want the color to dry too much, get a little spray thing right here with water to let it maintain that moisture right here. There you go. That's what I'm gonna do right here on this. Go, blending it. A bit of white right here, like this. Adding some details here, like this. Little clouds here. Clouds, a little bit more white, I think, is necessary, I think. coloring over this gold foiling right here. A little bit of dabbing. Now you can get really detailed, but you know, I'm just gonna try not to get too detailed. And let's transition more in this corner, lower right hand corner with the purplish here, purplish. As you can see, just see, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Circular motion right here. There you go. There you go. That's kind of, you know. And as I'm doing this, I'm learning that maybe I shouldn't do it too wet. Not to put too much water is important to letting it a little bit drier. Okay. Circular motion right here, circular. And then transitioning here. Lots of transitioning color is what I'm going for. Guys, okay. Color is so important, right? Color. Color. Just a basic shape here, and then we can attack the detail if you want. Yeah. Just covering up this real estate. Keeping the brush dry. A little dry here, and just kind of, and worry about the details later, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Oh. And let's see, leaving some areas right here for the framing. Beige neutral color mixture of you know, painting and talking is kind of hard to do, but I do my best here. But let's do this, and getting a clean towel to always, let's get rid of all the excess here, so it doesn't the paint, overall paint doesn't get too muddy and looks kind of dirty. So with the dry brush, I'm not using any water right now, just kind of, let's see, maybe dabbing a little bit of white here, just kind of highlighting. That's what clouds do, highlighting the basic, just the middle color, adding some white for the upper portion where the light hits to give that three-dimensional shape. That perception here a little bit, but at the same time we're trying to be a little bit more abstract here. That's my goal for you today, just kind of abstract. As the blue transitions into purple here, just kind of just see what happens. And cleaning, right? And keeping the brush. Got to show you my palette as I go do this. Yeah, here you go. There you go. Adding some highlights here. There you go. While the paint is still dry. Some highlights right here like this. We're just suggesting. So all we're doing is suggesting. Dab, maybe. Dab right here, dabbing right here like that. Yeah, doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be too detailed here. Cotton candy. That's what I'm thinking right now. Cotton candy, kind of. Cotton, dabbing. There you go, dabbing. Maybe in circular motion to blend these things in. After all, I'm using a blending brush here for that purpose. And let me see. Yeah. Transitioning here. Purple meets blue here. Yeah. There you go. Okay, in this corner, let's try a little bit of yellow and orange. My palette knife here, and see how it goes. Let's see here, palette knife, so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Let's see. Yeah. special things you can do with a spatula here. Palette knife. And with my... Now let's try to blend these things in with a little bit of white here. Blending it. See just adding a highlight here, adding some dimensions so it kind of looks like a cloud a little bit, an abstract yellow, maybe reflecting off of a sunset, maybe, something like that, keeping it simple here. In this corner, let's finish this up with some dark and light blue here. There you go. And let's see what this palette knife can do for us. It's kind of setting the edge a little bit right here, like this. Yeah, just letting the palette knife do its thing. Not interfering with this gold leaf area, of course. And it's setting the edge right here, basically. That's what I'm doing, setting the edge. There you go, nothing too crazy, just, there you go. Dab here and there. There you go. And just blending that in, trying to, right here, to kind of resemble the cloud shape here. Blend those in a little bit. Maybe a little bit of white. A little bit of white here. A little bit of a highlight here. White highlight. Yes. And I'm just going to finish it off with some palette knife with white on tip, on this tip a little bit, just to add to the texture kind of effect, if you will. There you go. Okay, so here's what I have for you, a final piece. It's not completely dry yet, but if you guys enjoyed this piece as much as I enjoyed creating this piece for you, and I hope to see you again for another beautiful day of creation. For extra credit, I'll show you how you can use some LED light to make this presentation, display of this painting a little bit better. I'm putting a rubber stop to this here in the back. There you go. Okay, I'll try to attach this LED light here like this, and all around this frame right here. Using a glue gun here like this. Oops. Hold that in place. I'm just using a hot glue gun all around this little crevice that I found. Perfect for LED light cables. Alright, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see this amber LED light. I don't know if you can see these lights shining through when you're hanging on a wall. Adds a little extra something, you know, a little highlight, LED highlight to this nice little piece. And thank you very much for watching.